Good morning, everyone. Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening, canning, recipes, a little bit of everything. It is so windy outside and we are supposed to get some severe weather this afternoon. We're going to keep our eye on that. But on days like today, it is the day after Christmas. Merry Christmas, everyone. And Happy New Year that's coming up. So on a day like today, what do? I get to cooking and I'm going to enjoy myself and I'm going to enjoy this meal that I'm fixing to make. So let's check it out. Okay guys, for our dish today, we are making a Philly cheesesteak casserole. And you're gonna crack up because I keep saying cheesecake in the videos and I keep having to go back and redo it. But anyway, it is a Philly cheesesteak casserole. So we're gonna start off with 3 cups of our wide egg noodles. I have 1 pound of our shaved steak that we do get from the butcher box. This is antibiotic free, it's organic beef. We do get it once a month. You can change the frequency, but we have enjoyed what we've gotten from them so far. I have a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. I have a cup of chopped onions. I have a cup of red bell pepper. I have a 1/4 cup of flour. I have 3/4 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. I have a 1/2 cup of half and half, 1 3/4 cups of organic beef broth. You can use any other beef broth if you want. We just prefer organic. And I have 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Okay, I have my water boiling. I'm going to get ready to put my egg noodles in there. They do need to be cooked before we start our casserole. I have my oven set on 350 degrees. And then I have a 3-quart casserole dish, and I did use butter to grease it up on the sides to keep things from sticking. This is a beautiful casserole dish that my daughter bought me for Christmas. I'm very excited to use it. So it's time to go. Egg noodles are in. We're going to cook these up. I did put a little dash of olive oil in the water to keep things from sticking. Cook these till they're tender. It could be 5 to 8 minutes. It depends on your stove and it depends on how quick you're boiling. Okay, I have my shaved beef and my black pepper in my skillet, and I'm going to fry this up until it is ready. The shaved beef is cooking up quite nicely. We want to brown this before we add our onions and our bell peppers. Our egg noodles are ready, and now we're going to drain them. Beef is browned up now. We're going to add our onions and our bell peppers. And we're going to cook this for about 2 or 3 minutes. Boy, it's thundering and lightning out there, guys. Can you hear it? This smells really, really good. So while our beef and our onions and our bell peppers are sauteing and cooking, we're going to mix our beef broth and our flour. Start this off on slow. We want to mix it up really good. You want to make sure this gets smooth. Okay, we're going to add our flour and our broth mixture to our meat with onions and bell peppers. Hear that thunder? Wow. And we're going to cook this up till it's boiling. We want this to get to a boil. Smells really good, guys. You want to continuously stir this until it thickens, and we want to get it up to a boil. It is pouring down rain out there. There was big thunder. We want this to thicken up. It's going to make a really nice gravy. And when this boils and gets a little thicker, we're going to remove it from the heat. It's made a nice little gravy. So now, before the house blows away, we're going to add in our half and half. And I'm going to turn the heat off. And our Dijon mustard. get this mixed up really well. This looks really good, guys. Okay, I have my noodles in my dish here that we did butter up to keep things from sticking, and now it's time to pour our skillet mixture, and we're going to mix this up, and then we're going to bake it on 350 degrees for about 40 minutes. Mix it up real good with your noodles. Now we're not going to add our cheese yet. You don't want to add that until the last 10 minutes of baking. So again, we're going to put it in the oven on 350 degrees for 40 minutes. And then we will add our cheese topping, our cheddar cheese, and bake it for another 10 minutes. Ready to put in the oven. Okay guys, it's been there for about 35 minutes. You want to stir it up. I have a convection oven, and so it kind of started browning the noodles on the top. So I'm going to go ahead and stir this up, and I'm going to go ahead and put the cheese on top. And we're just going to cook this until the cheese melts, which is going to be about, I don't know, 5 to 7 minutes maybe. Okay guys, I had to reduce the baking temperature to about 30 minutes instead of 40 because, like I said, with the convection oven, the noodles kind of started getting brown on top. And so I went ahead and put the cheese on top, and it wasn't very long before it started melting and looking just absolutely perfect. So probably about 3 to 5 minutes. So keep an eye on it. I don't know how your oven is. You do. Watch it, and you'll know about when it's time. Anyway, we're going to dig into this. Very good, guys. We love it. I think that you guys will too. We ask that if you like what you see, that you please subscribe to our channel so you can see what other videos we have coming up in the new year. We wish you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Take care, God bless, and we'll see you in a couple of days.